Hi everyone, welcome to a new series. This is all going to be about asking me about your nutrition questions. So get in touch today and let me know what you want to know about your nutrition, and I'll hopefully be able to answer them and maybe give you the tips and helps that you need to make your nutrition better. Okay, so today's question is coming from Fran. What question have you got regarding nutrition today?
So thanks so much, Ali. The question that I had really is around what kind of fats are good and what fats are bad.
Sure. That's a question that we do get a lot because I think there is a lot of confusion as to what sort of fats we should be eating in the society. The simplest form to put it in is that there are 4 types of fat. 2 of those are classed as good, so they do lots of good within our body system, and they are called monounsaturated and polyunsaturated. They come from things like fishes and avocados and nuts, and lots of people tend to be quite familiar with them. And then we have the next 2, which tend to be quite confused as to what they do and where they come from. So the other one is called saturated. Now, this is naturally in the body, so we can process it, but it is also the type of fat that tends to cause the plaque within the arteries. So it is still recommended to have in smaller quantities than anything else. And then the 4th fat is relatively new in our society, and that's called trans fat. This is a synthetic fat that has been developed by society to create a cheaper and more long-term product. Unfortunately, it's the fat that we also can't digest and causes a lot of health issues, including weight gain. These sort of fats come from many processed foods more than anything, and they come from things like biscuits and cakes and pastries. So that's the one that we definitely recommend having in small quantities and making sure that you can restrict as much as possible. Does that all make sense?
Yeah, that's really great. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. That's very helpful.
Perfect. Well, thank you for your question, and get in touch if you think of anything else.